flash fill and autofill. So how flash fill works is you type something from column B, and then you can also add something to it, and then press enter and type the second column, but this time it predicts what you might enter for the rest of the cells, and then if you're happy, press enter and it flash fills everything. But you need to do this pretty quick, so it's time dependent. So when you type something, let it be and you need to be pretty quick to press enter and then type the next one. If you put a gap in between your entries, this wouldn't work. How about autofill? Autofill is very simple. So you select a cell, for example a date. The cell has a corner with a square which you can select. It becomes a black plus sign, and then clicking and dragging it would follow a pattern and would auto fill it for you. You can do with the months, with the time, with the date. But if you go to a number and do the same thing, it will just copy it. But if you got a pattern and do the same thing, it would follow the pattern. It's pretty clever. So if I press 1 here and go to the top to this corner and double click on this, it will copy the number all the way until the bottom of the previous column.